Hey guys, I'm Sean and this is Galaxy. Welcome to my channel. A lot of you guys probably know me from Instagram, STI_418. But yeah, here's what the channel's gonna be about. My beautiful Galaxy blue Subaru WRX STI. Has a couple modifications done to it. I bought it a little over a year ago with an exhaust, catback, intake, and a cob access port. I did everything else to it. These headlights, they're sequential V2 red lines, JDM bezels down there, LED turn signals, LED fogs, carbon badge there. I'm a big fan of carbon, you guys will see that. I went with the Rays 57 XTCs, and I just love that design. Carbon STI badge right there. And would you just look at that, those carbon mirror caps. Beautiful. It's really hard to capture the color of this on camera. It's got some flake to it. It's really hard to capture this on camera. But you can see it's got some flake to it. Back here we got the sequential turns, carbon badge there, and I did show you a carbon steering wheel inside. Carbon Alcantara steering wheel inside here. Huge fan of carbon, as you guys can probably tell. So Burns Auto is a new sponsor of mine. You can use STI_418 at checkout and get 10% off. I'll leave all that info down below for you. But you can't beat that. Alright guys, so now we're inside Galaxy, and I wanted to show you this carbon Alcantara steering wheel a little bit better here, because I really love this wheel. It is beautiful. If you were considering getting one, I'd get it. There's my carbon knob, and then the access port, and cob access port there. And I just ordered this piece, this centerpiece here, carbon. It's all going to be carbon, and then carbon armrests, and these. I'm getting all these door handles here in carbon. That's going to take some more time to be manufactured. But this centerpiece and this armrest should hopefully be here within a couple weeks. And I'll do a nice install video for that. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you, this is my first top 20 award I got at Joseph Subaru Meet this year. Next year I'm hoping to go for the best interior with all my carbon goodies that I'm going to be having. So let's go check out these sequential tails at night. Oh yeah, pretty good looking to me. I like these over the newer version 2s. Oh man, I got an LED light out. Dang it. I think I got some extras. I'll try and show you the headlights, but it's just gonna be too bright, yeah. You can get a little bit. There's the car club I'm in, KYnetic. You can check them out. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing Galaxy, and I hope you come back for more. I got some install videos of the carbon bits I'm going to be getting from Burns Auto. I also am having a drift video lined up. I've never even been drifting, so it's going to be pretty fun.